Hey guys, it's Real Jamaican Foodies here.
And we're back with another video.
Yes, so today we're at Out Hut and we'll be dining today. And we're super excited.
Yes, we are.
Yes, so we're going to order and then we're going to go through our 3 rules, which is
To taste it,
eat it and
review it.
Now guys, we haven't done this for a while, so we kind of forget the rules. But we are trying to get it back, so we'll see you.
Good afternoon, my name is Shanae. Welcome to Out Hut. So I'm going to be ready for order.
Yes, so we've decided that we want a serving of the mozzarella sticks, and I'm going to be having the jerk pork with some fried bami. And for drink, how much for the rum punch?
$9.
Every one of the drink here is for $9?
Yes, but
even the Pepsi.
no. Seriously? Jamaican about 1,500 and something dollars. Anyway, with the tax and the gratuity everything. When the one comes.
For one drink? Okay, how much you want to spread of ice? I see.
Alright, about $5.
$5. Alright, so I'm going to take one of the Smirnoff ice.
Flavor would you like?
The black ice, the black one.
I just want
And
Yeah.
I'll be taking a curry goat with fried lammy. And for drink, just Pepsi. That's it.
Thank you, Shanae, right? Guys, we're well cheap, so so we have to order the cheap something, We're waiting for a meal. I believe we've ordered about 10 minutes ago, so
Or less.
about 8 to 10 minutes ago we ordered, so we're waiting. So I'm wondering, let's see if we can keep a track and see how long it takes. So we're here chilling,
As you can see,
yeah. It's a Sunday, so well, nice
Comfy.
and comfy. Yeah.
the sun is setting.
Something huge is happening in the next couple of videos. Absolutely.
That was fast.
That was
So if you
quick.
guys are excited for that, make sure it's special.
In the
Mr. Salt.
Yeah, but that's good.
Thank you.
The food here look really little bit.
Yeah.
The chef said, I'm really hungry. I just should have people know it.
Alright guys, this is our meal. And whoa, we did a wait. It actually took us about 15 minutes to get our food.
That was quick.
Very, very quick, very quick.
I think it was not done to order.
Well, we're gonna dive in and see how everything is.
And we'll tell you about it.
Yep. See you.
It's review time.
Review
We've already
time.
tasted.
We've already eaten the food, and now
And it's time to review.
yeah. So first thing first, we love the ambience. It's really, really awesome. Like if you're an outdoor person, this is definitely the spot for
And we
you.
catch the sun.
Yes, we got the sunset. However, we don't have any pictures for you. Sorry. Alright, so our bill came up to $40.07 in total. So that would be about 4,005, 4,000
They're
something,
about.
depending on the rate. The rate is about 137
Right
there.
now.
So first we're going to start with the time that the meal came.
So, how long again?
It took us about 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Which,
And we thought that was excellent.
well, the orders weren't done to order,
So,
so that was expected.
so average.
All right, the taste of the food.
Salty.
I had I had jerk pork with bami. The bami was really nice. It was done to order, so it was warm. The jerk pork, no, it was a bit salty, but the sauce was really spicy and nice. Let me see. So it have a bit of sourness to it, and it was spicy. The sauce, that is. The jerk pork was a bit salt. Yeah.
And then I had the curry goat. It was very, very salty. And not so bad. It was okay. It was average. An average homemade curry goat. The bami was normal.
We also had the mozzarella sticks. It was good. However, for me overall, the food though was
Small.
a small amount. I'm like, today's Sunday, you know, we can't understand the other days, but Sunday, you know, you're expecting to food your belly, you know. Got 3 mozzarella sticks. 3. I've never gone anywhere I got 3 mozzarella.
3 half sized.
But it was good. It was warm and it was nice. The cheese was oozing out of the breadcrumbs. Yeah.
And the sauce was kind of
Yes.
sweet.
The sauce was sweet and spicy.
So it, you know.
Overall, Sash, how would you rate Chill Out?
All right. So for one, we went somewhere else and we weren't able to go there. They weren't able to dine there, and so we, you know, checked around, and this was one of the places that we could actually walk in. So for that, you know, I'm not gonna say okay, we're gonna kill them, because.
So how much you're rating them?
About 5.
5? You're giving them 5? Okay. Alright. So for me, I would give them a 6. I don't think we touched customer service.
No, we didn't.
Customer service, well, our agent, she started off really nice at first,
But then she forgot about us.
yeah, I don't like that. You know, I think we have a problem with customer service in Jamaica.
Sadly.
I don't know. It's like once you're dealing with your own, you have no form of respect, no form of, you know, you just lose all zeal to want to serve your own
And
kind.
also, when we brought it to her attention, the amount of food we got, she said she thinks it was due to our order, which I found very, very rude.
Well, yeah. So our experience here, we love the atmosphere of how everything was. It was a cool vibe, chill, hot. It was the name suited.
Yeah,
So much for watching. We're so happy that we could do a video for you for a while. And we thank you for watching Real Jamaican Foodie on the scene. Yeah.